Beautiful people, it's your girl Just Got Talent. How you are doing? Hope you're doing great. Welcome to my channel, my wonderful subscriber, my amazing YouTuber family. How you are doing? Yeah, today's video is all about the stuff I got from Africa. My sister bought me some stuff, you know. Yeah, so I want to show you guys. It's just a small, it's not much, just a little stuff, fresh stuff. So I have the dried fish. We call it ewi, yeah, in my dialect. I got pepper, dried pepper. Look at it, very nice. And I got some pepper soup spices, some spices. Look at some pepper soup spices. I didn't even expect it. She just called me. I told her that there's somebody in Nigeria. If she can go to the guy's office to get something from him. He said, oh, but when is he leaving? I think he's leaving tomorrow morning. Then she just rushed to buy me some stuffs, Look at it, some food stuff. And look at it. Also, she brought me some melon, egusi. Look at it. Very nice. And then I don't like so much egusi, but sometimes, when it's maybe like after 6 months, once in 6 months I eat egusi, I prefer okra. So she got me some let's see, what is this? Let's see. She got me some crayfish. Wow, this one I can accept anytime, any day. Look at it. Crayfish. Wow. This is a lot of crayfish. Look at it. Look at it. Wow. Guys, look at the last package. Let's see what we got inside. Wow. It's a bolo. Guys, look at this ogbolo. So nice. Look at it. I love ogbolo, Ogbolo soup is one of my best after okra soup. Yeah, ogbolo is very nice. I prefer ogbolo more than egusi. Yeah, some people like egusi, but for me, ogbolo is my best. In fact, to prepare ogbolo, I need to put a lot of delicacy inside. In fact, all the whole meat in this in this world must be inside the ogbolo. And I will not miss to put my shrimps. Both the fresh shrimps and the dry shrimps must be inside, guys. And when I prepare my ogbolo, I put sometimes spinach or maybe like little okra inside. Sometimes I use bitter leaf to mix my okra. Guys, have you tried to prepare your okra with bitter leaf? Oh la la, this taste is really exceptional. When you drink water with it, you feel like yes, you ate something very healthy. Yes, guys, my sister did a great job to bring me all this food stuff. I'm really happy. I appreciate this whole food stuff. They are really nice. I'm gonna grind my ogbolo so it'll be easier for me when I want to cook it. I'm gonna grind it and put it in my freezer. So if I want to prepare my soup, I'll just bring it out without thinking of blending it, guys. So, and also my sister brought me also a nice dress, a dress. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna make another video because now we're in the kitchen. I'm gonna make another video about that dress. It's a very nice dress. I'm gonna show you guys how the dress look on me. Maybe, yeah, I'm not promising, but I will try my best. It's not easy to be a YouTuber and a mom also. So guys, this will be the end of this video. This video makes sense to you. Give me a thumbs up and leave your comment. If you just passing by and you like my video, subscribe to Joyce Got Talent TV for more of my interesting video. Don't forget to leave your comment below. Okay, guys. Bye. See you guys on my next video. Thank you. Like my video. Bye-bye.